Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kanika from Kanak Jaipur, and in this video I'll be sharing a quick tutorial of this card which is made on the theme Teachers Day. So let's get started. To make this card I am using Dress My Craft Whimsical Hues 6x6 collection pack. So this is the pattern paper which I'll be using as a base of my card. Also, apart from this, I'll be using this female from this sheet. As you can see, it has been already cut. So I'm using my distress oxide picked raspberry color and distressing the edges of my pre-cut cardstock, which is of the size 5.5 inches by 4 inches. All the products which I am using today, I have purchased them from Crafters Corner. So if you want to see what all I have, I would really recommend you to watch my last video or my Crafters Corner unboxing haul part 1 and part 2. So I have also pre-cut the pattern paper and distressed the edges. Make sure you cut the pattern paper a little smaller of the size of a card base, and I wanted a distress effect, so just distress the edges. Now I'm using the Dress My Craft new release, that is corner punches, and this is 3-in-1 corner punch from Dress My Craft. I'm using this to just cut off the edges and make them round of 7 mm. I'm already in love with this corner punch as it has 3 different sizes to be cut, and you can see how crisp cutting it is giving. So if you're looking for a corner punch, I would recommend you to buy this one from Dress My Craft. So I'm just using my picked raspberry color and just giving a little bit of color onto the edges so that the color gets blended very well to the base of the cardstock. Also, I have used double-sided tape and have put that on the pattern paper, and now I'm sticking it onto the card base. Just have a closer look how the base looks like. Now we just need to embellish it. So for embellishing and layering my card, I am using this Dress My Craft Whimsical Hues Motif sheet. So this is the sheet. It has 2 sheets in one pack of A4 size. So what I do is I pre-cut them and keep them in this bag so that whenever I need, it is very handy and I don't need to fussy cut it on the spot, but I have these ready with me. So I just take out one of these and just put them over my card. Also, it makes my work very easy when I am making the card and when I am in hurry, so that I have all these ready with me. So your voice is my favorite sound is the one sentiment which I am using today, and apart from this I will also be using You Are Awesome. So I have the ready pre-cuts of these motif sheets which I am using, and I am just showing it to you guys what all I will be using. Cutout is not from motif sheet but from the pattern paper which I have already shown in the starting of the video. So this is the stamp which I am using just to give the boundary. I am using the same picked raspberry distress oxide and just layering it. I just forgot that the focus was not there, so I am sorry for this. Now you can have a closer look. Similarly, I'll create the boundary on all the 4 sides of the card. Just placing all my things which I thought to use in my card. I don't have any pre-decided that where will I put what thing, but I'm just layering it and seeing what looks good. Finally decided to put the image of the girl in the center and around that placing all other embellishments. Images and sentiments to the background, I am just distressing it using the same color which is picked raspberry distress oxide. So while I was distressing the sentiments, I made sure that I'm just distressing the outside and not getting the color into the box where the sentiment is written. To give 3D look to my sentiments, I use this 3D foam tape which I bought from Crafter's Corner. This is very good tape as it is just 6 mm and easily you can stick on all your sentiments. I also have the similar kind of tape in 4 mm as these can also be used in your shaker cards. I have applied adhesive to almost everything. Now I'm just placing it where I have decided it to be sticked on. Also, I would like to know that what all kind of tutorials or craft things are you looking forward to see on my page. So if you want some tutorials, comment down below and let me know what kind of tutorials are you looking forward. As my paper pack is a floral theme, I decided to use this die cut. To give a 3D look to the floral banner, so I used 3D foam tape. Now I'm just embellishing my card using the leaf die cuts and also some flowers. I will also be using these pearl beads and sequences which I got in a floral collection of Whimsical Hues and will be sticking it using glossy accents. Applying my glossy accents onto some places randomly and onto them I'll be using my sequences and placing them. Sequences are of small size. I'm using my tweezer and placing them over onto the glossy accent. Adhesive to paste the sequences onto your card, but I prefer glossy accents as when it dries it gives a clear gloss finish. Pearl beads, so I'm just keeping my card onto the base where the pearl beads won't go off. Now I'm just applying glossy accent onto the random places where I want my pearl beads to be shown. Give a very nice and unique finish to your projects. I love them as they are of multi-size and they are very easy to be worked, and these give a very nice effect onto our projects. Also, they are available in many different colors onto Crafter's Corner website, so you can check that out too. Later on, I also decided to use this bud as it will give a nice subtle look onto my card. this is the final look of the card. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and looking forward to see your reviews on this card. So if you like the card, then don't forget to hit the like button, and also if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed. See you until the next time. Till then, happy crafting.